Hello traders. Trading with the trend remains the most profitable strategy. How to make money on binary options. It is necessary to determine not only the direction but also the strength of the movement. The indicator ADX will help you to open the option correctly. To start trading on the VFX Alert website, select the license that suits you. Or free signals with limited functions available immediately after registration. Then download and install the program for your computer. You can trade on recommended brokers or add your in the program settings. Let's move on to strategy and signals. The strategy uses two technical indicators. Two exponentials moving averages, EMA, with periods of 50. Trend indicators by which we determine the opening point of the option. The strategy is not intended for trading during flat periods. We trade only if the range for binary options free signals is at least 15 to 25 points. ADX, Average Directional Movement Index. Confirmation of the presence, direction and strength of the trend. The direction is determined by plus die and minus die lines, and the ADX line is an indicator of the strength of the trend. If plus die is above minus die, the market an uptrend. For a downtrend, the opposite conditions apply. On the screen, trading signals and open options when the following conditions are met. Rise call option. The price is above the moving average. ADX lines are up, the red histogram is below zero levels. Call put option. Opposite conditions, the price is below moving average, ADX is down, green histogram. There are no restrictions on currency pairs. It is quite possible to use the period of 1 minute, and options with an expiration of 5 minutes. The amount can also determine depending on the strength of the signal. Adaptive strategy VFX Alert. The first option on Euro-Pound. All conditions for the full option. The histogram is below zero, ADX confirms a strong trend. We will hold a quick trading session and leave the market after 3 to 4 profitable options and no losses. The indicator is not available on all binary options sites. In our case, this is the binary.com broker. If the platform does not have the necessary indicators, you can download it for free on the internet. High volatility, engulfing pattern appears. The option is in profit, waiting for expiration. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. Euro-Dollar. VFX Alert and ADX confirm the end of sideways movement and the beginning of the uptrend. Open rise option. In practice, the ADX trend is much more important than specific price levels. While the indicator line is rising, we are looking in binary options software for a rollback to the EMA as a situation for a possible entry, while not necessarily reaching the level of 30. For the presence of a trend, it is enough for the ADX line to grow steadily from its minimum. The indicator is above 50, the current trend ends, we remain out of the market. We control the dynamics of market volumes. In the event of a breakout or rebound from the moving average, the volume histogram should have peak values. The price is far from the opening level. ADX indicates continuation of uptrend. Waiting for a profitable expiration. The second option is a plus again. We end the trading session. The trend has reversed, the histogram changes color. Second rise option on ADX signal and VFX alert. The ADX indicator gives good results on all intraday binary options strategies and assets, currencies, stocks, cryptocurrencies. Strict adherence to the rules of the strategy will allow you to find points with a high probability of profit at the high or low of the price. Once again, we remind you that most profitable options trading signals will only be on trend areas. During the flat periods we remain out of the market. The option is in profit, in other pairs we do not open. The last option was closed in profit. Let's summarize. Less than an hour and 40 minutes, $105 or plus of 1.5% to deposit. It is the very good result.